So today we're going to take a look at the real versus the fake JBL Clip 4. This one that I'm holding right now, close to the camera, is the real Clip 4. As you can see, the fabric looks nice and even the logo looks nice. But on the fake one, the logo is made out of the color black and it looks ugly also with the fabric, and you can actually see through it as well. And the other difference is on the side, if you take a look, there's no name Clip 4 on the fake one. So that's another indication of how you can tell which one is the real. You will also notice that if you press the clip down, there's actually a space for the clip to rest into. Unlike the fake, it does not have anything. If we go towards the bottom, you will find on the real Clip 4 the charging port, which is a USB Type-C. On the side of the real Clip 4 are two buttons, the power button and the Bluetooth discovery button, and on the fake there's nothing at all. If you pay attention to the back of these speakers, the real one has a fabric cover at the back and also a lot of rubberized lines sticking to it, but on the fake it's just plastic all over the place. And the other difference is it has a cover which is protecting the other media options and also the on and off switch and the charging port. So you do get a TF slot on the fake and also a USB port as well if you want to play music on your USB thumb drive, which is okay, but that wouldn't be that great if the sound is really bad, which I will demonstrate later on in the video. Before we move on to the actual sound test between the two, I just want to show you the difference between the packaging of the real Clip 4 and the fake Clip 4. So the one on the left is for the real Clip 4 and on the right is for the fake. As you can see by the size, the real Clip 4 has big and better packaging than the fake one. And there's a lot of difference in designs as well. So I'll just let you guys take a look at that and then we'll move on to the sound test.
Bluetooth mode.